So I just got back late Wednesday night from a road trip to Minneapolis helping my buddy Harry move, and I wake up Thursday morning and it's snowing. I'm exhausted and I have so much work to catch up on, but it's snowing and it'll probably be gone the next day.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go.
We only get snow like that once, maybe twice a year. It's 25 one day and 55 the next. The snow's here today and gone tomorrow. You gotta just get it while it's fresh.